Alright, so I'm going to show you how to ohm out a compressor. And we're going to do it at the terminals rather than from the wires in the control panel, because sometimes it may show grounded, but it may be just that it's scored up against the cabinet, or it's worn underneath, or it passes underneath the coil if you look there. So I just ohmed it. It showed grounded. We're just going to confirm here at the terminals of the compressor. Now the system's grounded altogether. Take your meter, put it to ohms. Ohms is you're testing continuity or resistance through load. So we're gonna just make sure it's alright. Open, closed, open, closed. Okay. Now we're just gonna get on one of the terminals of the compressor and check to the copper, and we have a grounded compressor.